Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited, one, because we have Emmy joining me. Hi Emmy, stay up here please. And also we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel. This is called Layered with Lace. The wait is over. I'm so excited to see what's inside. And by the way, if I'm red, I just was walking outside and it's like 90 degrees and I was trying to cool off before filming, but it just won't go away. It's just had to change shirts and everything. But anyways, Layered with Lace is a bralette subscription. It's $18 a month. This was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And they did provide a code, non-affiliated, just to help you guys out. And you save $8, so you'll get your first box for $18. Or bag, I guess I should say. So I can't wait. I saw some photos, and I think I've seen Subbox Lover open this in the past, and I thought it was so cute. So they have a wide range of sizes. It's just a bralette, stretchy, so it like stretches 2 to 3 inches. So you can look on their website, which I'll link below, to see the sizes. But I think it says like 30A to 44 triple D or something. I don't know, but check it out. I love bralettes. I do not wear real bras. I just wear like comfortable little cami bra type things from Free People. So this is like right up my alley. If it's appropriate to try on, I'm guessing it's lacy, so I probably won't. But if it seems okay, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. But let's get it open. How are you guys? Welcome, or welcome back if you're new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing. You guys, I think I'm going to, maybe I'll do it in this video. Just sneak it in. We're gonna do a giveaway in this video, but I'll talk about it after the subscription. So, ooh, I have multiple things here. And just for reference, I ordered a size large. And my boobs kind of fluctuate, but they're pretty big. I wear like a 34, 36 D, sometimes like a false D. But it looks like there are 3 different pieces in here. Oh my god, one's green. I'm so excited. But let's start with this. So we have a little card here, and there's a note on the back for me. Hi Kitty, welcome to the Bralette fam. Thank you so much for helping spread the word. I hope you love your April bralette. Sage green, oh my god, yes. And they're also sending me the February and March, or sent me the February and March bralettes to show you guys. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful and I'm so excited, and I love the color sage green. Yes, green's my favorite color. So, yep, the code is Kitty in all caps to save $10, or get your first one for only $10. Love Bree. Thank you, Bree. I appreciate it so much. So let's start with the April. Oh my god, you guys, this is beautiful. It kind of matches my nails. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This, yeah, I shouldn't try this on camera, but I'm like totally open and cool with my body and stuff like that, but yeah, not for YouTube. But this is so sexy. It looks comfy too. Maybe I could. So this is the front. Oh my god, you guys, I love this color. And then here is the back. Oh my gosh. So it is slightly sheer. You can see through it a little bit. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And yeah, it is stretchy. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This color is so beautiful. So how does this, you just pull it over. So this is just, wait, is it the front or the back? No, yeah, that has to be the back. But it's stretchy, so you can just pull it over your head. Super awesome. This is so cute. I keep saying the same word. I need to come up with better adjectives. But I love this so much, you guys. So here's April. So this month's bralette. And I forgot to mention, they let you preview what the upcoming bralette will be. So you can cancel or like skip at any time your subscription plan. And they have an option to do it bi-monthly, I read, which I love bi-monthly subscriptions. Gives you a chance to like use your stuff more before you get something new and save some money too. Like, I think that's awesome. Not many subscription services do that or offer that, so I think that's great they do. Let's start with this one. Let's see, what month was this? Not like it really matters. So February was the black one. Let's do that. So, oh man, I love the green. I love black too. Let's see. Awesome. I love how they're different styles. They are so cute, and I think they're going to be really comfy. After I am filming, I am going to try one on, and I'll leave a comment. just so I can like tell you how I think they fit like true to size or not, etc. But yeah, they provide a lot of information for sizing, so I think I definitely did. And I like bralettes because they're, you know how they're stretchy. It gives you more room to like, so if you're like me and your boobs like double in size on your period week, like you can still use them because it's stretchy, you know? I like this. So there's adjustable straps on this one. Yeah, these are all like so cute and sexy. I love that. Comfy and sexy is my like go-to type of clothing. I love it. I'm like too excited. I hope I'm showing you guys enough. Can you see? I'm sitting in front of my screen door, so hopefully the lighting's okay. Now let's open this one. So this is January, and this one is gray. Ooh, this is a pretty gray too. Oh, that's so cool how they're all different. This one also has adjustable straps. And there's two. What's wrong, Emmy? Are you playing? Did something spook you? Come here. Come here. What's wrong? You're so hyper. I spent the night like away from my house twice this week because my family's in town, and I just feel bad. She's a little bit more needy than usual. She's acting like I like exiled her like for weeks and alone, but no. You guys, I love the style of this one. I like every single one, but this is super cute. I love that there's adjustable straps and it's stretchy. So yeah, they're all a little bit sheer. No trying. And this one has like the lace, but there's this little like mesh sheer part in the middle. Is it just focusing on my face? And this is what the back looks like. I love them. I think the styles are so cute, and I love how they're different. So each one you get like a different cut or style and different color. And like they're totally different. I'm putting these side by side, like the straps are different, the cut, so there's definitely variation. But I have to say, out of these three, hey Emmy, what's your favorite? The bag? Yeah. Can you guys see her still? My favorite is the green, just because I don't have anything like this color, and green is my favorite color, and I love it. So this one's my favorite. I don't know if it's my favorite style. Let me think about that. So this is definitely my favorite color. I do like the style. I'm not saying I don't. But I think my favorite like cut or style, whatever you call it, is the gray one. So gray, black, and green. You guys have to let me know what your favorite of these three are. And before I forget, yes, I have still a bag full of goodies to give away. I never heard back from the last giveaway winner, and I've been meaning to pick a new one, but I wanted to like do it in a video and kind of sneak it in. So if you guys are new here or don't know what I'm talking about, I do a giveaway every month. I just randomly pick a subscriber. So you just have to be subscribed and engaged with my channel. So that means like leaving comments. And I'll just randomly pick a video and then use a comment generator to randomly pick someone. And then I double check that they're subscribed. And then I post on my community tab on the first of every month with the winner's like picture and comments. So telling them they wanted to email me your information. So I haven't heard from the last winner, and I brought it up multiple times. So I'm just going to do an extra bonus giveaway, and it's going to be for this video specifically. So leave a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed. I've been saying this a lot lately, but I'm just trying to let you guys know that YouTube unsubscribes. Sometimes you guys have probably noticed that happening, if not with me, other creators. So just double check that you're subscribed. Leave a comment down below. I'll have this open until, what's the date today? Today's the 16th. Should I just have it go to the rest? Let's do it for 1 week. Hi, Emmy. Oh my gosh, how are you? How about we have it go until, yeah, we'll just have it go to the end of the month. So I'll pick a winner from this video and then the random for the month too. And yeah, just leave a comment down below. You can enter, you can come back and comment every day if you want. And yeah, I just want to get back to you guys, and I'm in a really good mood. I've had a really great week. I'm a little hungover. I've been having a lot of fun. I usually don't like drink and go out and eat a lot and stuff like that, but my family's been in town, so I've been really enjoying myself, and then I went out with friends. So, you know, I think I just really needed that people time and that like fun and love and all of that. And I want to share my good vibes with you guys. So I'm going to send a bag full of stuff. It doesn't matter where you live. All subscribers are, you know, you can enter. Just leave a comment. If you guys need an idea, let me know what was your favorite bralette that I showed you, or you can just comment anything at all. There's no requirements for what you say, just leave a comment. And I would totally appreciate it if you liked this video and shared this as well and my channel. That really helps me out. You being here and just watching my videos, I'm so grateful for. I seriously love you guys more than you know, and I wish I could send each and every one of you a package, but maybe one day, you know. I'm working on that abundance and stuff, and maybe one day I'll be able to help more people, but we're doing 1 or 2 people a month, okay? That's my way of giving back. I hope you appreciate it. I appreciate you. And thank you to Layered with Lace. I freaking love these so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks for sending me these, and not only April's, but for 3 months so I could show my audience. Thank you so much, Bree, owner of this subscription, Layered with Lace. Again, I will link Layered with Lace down below, and the promo code is Kitty in all caps to get your first for $10. That's $8 off. That's an awesome promo code. Thanks again, Bree. And thank you guys. Make sure to enter the giveaway. And if you don't win this one, you know, there's always a chance. I'm never going to get rid of that monthly giveaway. So, yeah. That's it for today, guys. I love you so much. Let me know how you're doing, and I will see you super soon. Bye. I love you. Happy Easter to celebrate.